If you've been looking for a network of serious drone entrepreneurs who are all about innovation, collaboration, and business growth, I'm excited to let you know about a new community that we just launched called Drone Business Insiders. We built this community to solve three main problems. Number one, to crack the code on what it really takes to get consistent, high-quality leads for your drone business. Two, to streamline the process of connecting with top industry professionals to get insights, really help save time on figuring things out on your own. Number three, to provide access to the best tools and resources like guides and checklists that can truly streamline your strategy, productivity, operations, and just generally how you run your company. Now, I get it. There's a lot of information out there and it can be overwhelming. But our mission here is simple. We want to equip you with a targeted set of resources, a strong network of industry peers, and insights into the latest trends and strategies that are actually working. Really, it's the most important information that you need to be a better drone entrepreneur. My name is Eno Umo, and I'm a drone consultant and business coach. And about 9 years ago, I decided to dive headfirst into this industry, really with no blueprint. At the time, there were no courses or guides, or really anything to help us understand what a drone business should look like. And if you're like me, in the beginning, I thought all we would need was the Part 107 and just business would just start coming. But I realized very quickly that there's a big difference between flying a drone really well and running the business. I learned the hard way about the hurdles that most of us drone entrepreneurs face. No clarity on the business strategy, or too many niches, inconsistent work, which all means no leads in the pipeline. And this is where we spotted a crucial opportunity. We knew that there was a lack of drone business development information out there, so we decided to build a dedicated platform for like-minded drone business owners to connect, get the latest resources, and get the real tools that are needed to grow. And that's what we're solving with Drone Business Insiders. This is an online membership community exclusively for serious drone entrepreneurs. The drone industry is exploding with opportunity, willing to offer endless opportunities for those who want to jump in and learn. Right now, the drone industry is projected to grow to $54.6 billion by 2030. That's 5 times the current size right now. So this explosion in growth means that there's never been a better time to explore and make your mark in the world of drone technology. So what exactly will you get inside of Drone Business Insiders? Each week, we hold a private strategy session for drone business owners all around the world to talk through marketing and general business strategy. What's working, what's not working. We discuss industry trends, talk through different challenges everyone is facing, and it's really a space to share your experiences, gain fresh insights, questions on pricing, or really just to get feedback on the projects you're working on. Exclusive content. So we have a whole library of resources. It's called our shared resources folder. We have operational guides, checklists, how-tos that have to do with marketing and sales. And each resource is really crafted to address the unique challenges and opportunities that drone business owners face every day. Expert-led insights. So each month we'll have different industry experts come in, talk about their drone business, talk about their journey with entrepreneurship, and really give you an opportunity to ask them direct questions to find out about their journey and what they recommend as a drone entrepreneur. The sessions will cover a wide range of topics like regulatory challenges, business strategy, and strategies for growing in high-value industries. We also have a lot of networking opportunities. This is a global network of drone entrepreneurs. What really differentiates us from other groups is that we solely focus on the business side of drones, and we have a global community. So we have perspectives from all backgrounds, and it's a great opportunity to see how things are done from a global perspective. We really believe in connecting you with the best and the brightest minds in the industry. And when we exclusively focus on the business side, that allows us to provide very targeted content, actionable insights, and strategies that will affect your bottom line. Plus, we have a 100% commitment to satisfaction, backed by our guarantee. These features ensure that you're not just joining a community, you're becoming part of a global network dedicated to the business success of each of our members. Drone Business Insiders places you at the forefront of the commercial drone industry. Whether you're making the transition from a pilot to a DSP, scaling up your operations, or seeking to establish yourself as a consultant, we provide the tools, the knowledge, and a community of support to help reach your goals. And you can have all this really at no risk to you. We're very confident in the value that we provide, which is why we offer a free 7-day trial and a 30-day money-back guarantee. So this gives you the opportunity to explore the platform and everything that we offer without any risk. If you find it's not right to fit for your drone business needs, we'll refund your investment, no questions. So if you're ready to transform your drone operation into a thriving business, join Drone Business Insiders today. This is the network you need for the next phase of growth in your business, guiding you through all the complexities of the commercial drone landscape. Sign up now and get immediate access to the resources and network that will really take your business to the next height. So thanks for checking out this video, and I will see you inside the group.